Hi, I'm Zelin. I'm a research scientist working in AI industry, specifically advertisement industry. But today I'm not working as a research scientist. I just want to share a few tricks that I have to deal with files. For example, if you are ever puzzled when you look at your download folder, see all the names like download1.pdf or untitled.doc, and you don't want to click open each one of the files and then rename them, then this video is for you. Or you look at the photos when you backup all your iPhone photos onto your laptop and you see all the names is IMG numbered and you want to automatically name those photos. In this video, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT to create an executable program for us to use to do the above tasks. In this video, you don't need to have previous coding experience. Basically, we are using ChatGPT to give us the code, and then we try to execute the code. First, let's look at what we need. First, we need a language. We will use Python for this video, and I'll be including the link that you can download Python in the video description. We will also choose a Python IDE, which Python will be the IDE of today, and I'll also include the download link. Once you download and have that installed, then we can get started. First, we need to open ChatGPT here. You don't really need to use ChatGPT. You can use Gemini or DeepSeek or Cloud. All those large language model AI tools can be used here. Since we are using these AI tools, we are using prompt to ask AI chatbot to give us answers we want. We first want to briefly mention the 6 important aspects of the prompts and rank them from important to less important. The 6 items will be first task, second content, third is exemplar, fourth is persona, fifth is format, and sixth is terms. Task is very clear. We definitely need to tell ChatGPT to know what to do. Second, content. If we want ChatGPT to summarize a file, we need to give ChatGPT the file, which is a content. The exemplar, we give ChatGPT some examples, what we want the result to be. And persona, we give ChatGPT a personality, like you are expert in AI, you are expert in coding, and something like that. And the fifth is format, like you want the output format to be in Word, PDF, or any format you want. And six is tones. You want the result to be in a professional tone, friendly tone, you can define your tones. So here we will first give ChatGPT a persona. You are an expert in Python, and I want you to help me write a Python program. Yes, then we tell ChatGPT what we want to do. We want to write a program to, I think there's 3 things we want to do. First is remove repetitive files. Second is rename the files. And third is rename photos. Let's tackle the remove or repetitive file first. Because with repetitive files, when we download online, they usually have the random name. A program to be able to delete repetitive files in a folder and keep the most recent one. For example, if there are files named a.pdf, a1.pdf, we want to delete a.pdf and rename a1.pdf to a.pdf. I want you to create an UI where we can select the folder and then there is a button to click to perform the task. So now ChatGPT will analyze our request, which is the task we gave it, and trying to give out the results. And first, let's start with the IDE, which we will use PyCharm. So basically, we create a new project, which is here, and we can give it a name. First, let's create a Python file. Let's rename it to be duplicate file deletion.py. And see if ChatGPT has generated results here or not. It gives us a working script. Let's just copy it, doing nothing, and try to run it. See what's the results. Okay, yeah, let's create it. So we can select a folder. Let's select download, and this is a repetitive file folder. Yeah, let's just make a copy of it. Duplicate. Yeah, let's select this folder, choose, and clean duplicate. And duplicate clean up completed. And let's look at if it's actually completed. Yeah, that's did what we did, right? It delete all those files and just left one. Okay, so this works. And now let's do next. We want it to create a way to, so we want to create a way to automatically rename these names to something meaningful. So now I want you to create a program that can read, can process. For now, I'll just use PDF and doc file or Word file as an example. You can definitely expand to Excel file or any files that ChatGPT can read. PDF and Word, open the file, read the first sentence, first line, and rename the file to the first line. Also, give us a UI that I can select a folder and a button to click to perform the task. Then it should be generating the code. Basically, it also tells us the dependencies. If we haven't, we should install this package in the terminal in the PyCharm. So terminal is here, and we just install the required package and see if this other package required. No, it's already give us the script, and let's just copy it. And now we create a new script. It's called like rename files.py, and just copy and paste and try run it. These are new results. Let's select a folder which is a rename, choose, and rename files. Rename files succeeded. I think, yeah, it renamed the PDF. You see previously it's a random name, which actually is the Google AI agent white paper. And also a statement from Robinhood. And this is my paper that's many years ago. And now we still have one task left, which is to do the same thing for the photos. Let's proceed to task number 3. Now I want to rename photos to the time and the location the photo is taken. The files are in JPG and heck. Okay, let's go GUI, and yeah, this is the format of the photo name and some examples. Yeah, recommend to us to install this package. Let's copy and install the package. Okay, it's downloading, it's working, it's doing its work. Let's go back here. It should give us the script. Let's copy it and create a new Python file. Rename photos.py. Yeah, let's do it. And trying to run it. It has an error. Don't panic. Whenever we see error, we just copy the entire error, paste to the ChatGPT. Let ChatGPT help us solve it. Let's open it. I got an error. And let's see what ChatGPT tells us. To fix it, install Pillow. Okay, we need to install Pillow. Which let's do in the terminal here, pip install Pillow. Okay, I think it works. Let's see if it works now. It's another error. Let's post it to the ChatGPT. Perform the task. Let's see. Performed the install, and there is another error message. We don't really need to know what it means. Just copy paste the solution. Terminal. We install the new package, and okay, let's run it again. I think the package doesn't actually work installed previously. Let's pip install this and hope that's oh. No problem with the pip filter. Let's see if let's say this the pip install got an error. Got an error message. See if we give a solution. Okay, so it's known. Recommend solution use hi-fi pillow open instead. Okay. There's more things to install. Okay. And let's try it. Glue install. And then we copy the second command, which is this. It's taken a while. Let's go here. Let's see, it didn't give us the full script. Please give me the fully updated full script. Okay, let's see what it gave us. And since it's generating, let's go back to see if the installation is finished. Not yet. Okay, let's wait. And also I mentioned when we're working with ChatGPT, we don't need to be afraid to ask ChatGPT any questions. Even you think the question is down, like you don't have coding experience, it's totally fine. I think at this stage, the AI is not to the level that they will judge you. They will not. I don't know in the future, but at least now, they will not judge. So ask any question you have. There's no dumb questions for them. And another note I want to say is currently all the chat AI tools, they are very useful for these kind of simple programming tasks, and it's totally suit normal use. And I think with these tools, whenever we have an idea or you find a problem in the real life what we really want to solve, now we can just go. The gap between the idea and the solution has largely been shortened. And I think this empowered everyone much more capability to realize your idea. So whenever you find a problem you want to solve, just go to ChatGPT, ask for help, and create a program or anything to solve it. I think we all heard about the mole principle. Like if you have a checkerboard, you put one coin on the first cell, then you put double the coin every time to the next cell. And we all know that eventually the number will be very big. The checkerboard has top half and second half. And currently AI age we are in now, we are currently in the second half of the checkerboard. So we already accumulate a lot of coins. And now every cell we double it, the amount of power we got is dramatic. And we can just think about the text to video tools we are using nowadays compared to a year ago. You can see the difference largely. 2 years ago, I think I see a video of Will Smith eating noodles. The noodle, we can see the face is bending and it's not actually chewed. But look at all the deepfake nowadays. I think those AI tools evolve much more faster than we are. And we really have to be stay current on the AI tools. And one best way is just to try it and keep using it. This is what we are trying to do. Okay, so basically since the package does not build clearly. Okay, so I'll take a step back. We can figure out this things issue later. But we're just trying to do GPG only. Yeah, let's copy it. So basically ChatGPT is saying that now it's harder to solve the hack file format. The reason why I specifically want to handle the hacked file format is I noticed that when I copy photo from iPhone to hard drive, most of the photos nowadays are all in this format. So if we are trying to make this program useful on iPhone, then we need this hack format to be able to solve it. But definitely we can solve it in a future. But yeah, but for now, let's just try JPG format. Okay, let's see if we can run it. Now we got it. Select folder, rename. Yes, that's the folder you want. Okay, let's see if it changed. Yeah, it changed the name to this. It's nice. So it works. Now we have 3 programs for 3 tasks. What actually you can think about this task can be combined. Like we select a folder. First, we remove the duplicate files. Then rename the random name or unnamed, untitled files. And we rename the photos. So these can be combined. Say, I want to have an UI that has 3 buttons. Remove duplicate, name, PDF, Word, rename photos. Each button has the corresponding. We already have this combined. Okay, let's copy it. Let's open this one. Let's run it. It has this. Let's select folder. Okay. Choose this one. Remove duplicates. Finished. Okay. Finished. Okay. Finished. Let's package it. I want to package it into executable format. Let's see. We do this in the terminal. We copy paste the command. Since our line is not file tool, we call combined file management copy. So it's packaging. See, it's in the folder. Let's look at it. One is applications. Is the application. Yeah, we have it, and it should work. Let's see. So we select this folder already, right? And we remove duplicates. No duplicates. Rename the names. Yeah, rename, finish, rename the photos. Okay, it's auto finished. Yeah, so we have the working executables. And now with this, a good thing is you can add any feature to it, right? We can make the rename files to support more format instead of just PDF and doc. We can make rename photos to support more format too. And also for the remove duplicates, we remember on Mac, at least when we copy and paste, it has copy 1, copy 2, copy 3 instead of 1, 2, 3. So we can try to support that as well. Or any other things for file management you can think of, you can make into these small executable files. And the good thing about this is it's built by you, so you know the code. And you are sure there's no virus or anything embedded in there. I remember before this, I usually just go search on Google online, trying to find similar tools or buy those apps. So with this, we can build simple apps easily. Okay, I think that's all the things I want to share today. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe. I'll try to create more content about how to use ChatGPT to help you program. Or in the future also, I make videos about how to just stay current on AI trend and using AI to help you with daily workflow. Thank you. Bye.